In this video, I'll detail how to install apps on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have iPhone 12 Pro Max and you want to install any application on your iPhone 12 Pro Max, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if you're not on this video, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. In the iPhone 12 series, we have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, we have iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 mini, and iPhone 12. So you can use this similar approach to download and install any application on any of the iPhone 12 series. So to do this, the first thing you want to do when you want to download application on your iPhone 12 Pro Max is open the App Store on your iPhone. Then once you open it, you want to make sure you sign into the iCloud account. So if you've not signed into your iCloud account on your iPhone, you need to make sure you do this. And if it's the first time of opening the App Store on your iPhone, you will be prompted to sign into your Apple account, which is supposed to be the same Apple account you signed in on your iPhone. So basically here, it has to be the same Apple account you sign into the iPhone here. Then once you can confirm that for the first time, go ahead and sign to the same Apple account or iCloud account. Then to download and install apps on your iPhone 12 Pro Max, just click on the spotlight search and search for any application you want to download. So here you want to download maybe game, maybe book application, music application, just name it. Then let's say you want to download the YouTube application on your iPhone, for instance, or YouTube Studio, or YouTube in App Watch. Just go ahead and select the application you want to download. Then once you click on it, you should see the application like this here. And otherwise, you should see the varieties of the application on this page. Then locate the application you want to download. This, click on it. Then you want to click on the get button instead of the update. So to download application on iPhone from the App Store, it has to be get. So here you see update. If it's updated, just click on the update app or hit the back button, search for a new application. Let's say you want to download Plus. Click on that. Then you should see get here on the application you want to download. And if you have something like this iCloud on the application you want to download on your iPhone, it means you've downloaded this application and installed it on your iPhone, but delete it without deleting the app data and the document. So if I just go ahead and click on this button, it's going to go ahead, download the application on your iPhone like that. Then repeat the process on every other application you want to download on your iPhone to download the application. So this is how you can easily download apps on iPhone 12. So you can use to download any kind of application you want from the App Store, either paid or free. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.